Hey guys, this is Will again with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and I'm here with another repair video. And this time I'll be showing you how to replace a blown speaker on a UE Megaboom 3 speaker. This is a very common issue with these speakers, so let's get going with the repair. Before we go with the repair, just letting you know, these parts are all available on our website and should be linked below. Reach out to us if you're having a hard time finding the correct part that you need so we can assist you. To begin with the repair, we'll be popping the bottom cover off using some sturdy, very rigid pry tool. I like to use this flathead. Just work your way around. Once it's all out, just pull it out. There is a seal here. We'll guide that in place after when we'll be putting it back together. Now the bottom has been taken out. What we'll be doing next is sliding this fabric mesh grill out, so there will be two pieces. I like to press right here and push out, separate these two parts. Some speakers are a little tougher than others. If you're having a difficulty, you can simply slide some tool in here and use that as for some leverage or some grip, and this one doesn't seem that bad. There we go, very simple. This is much easier than the previous Megaboom version. Here's our speaker. Let's go ahead and push out both of these rods that are on the side. Grab some pliers and pull it out. Now that it's been pulled out, free up this tape. And pry your speaker out. There is an adhesive tape that is surrounding the speaker. Try to keep it in its original shape. That way, when we put the new speaker back in, it'll be sealed or like the original seal. Alright, the speaker is freed up. You can see right here that some of this tape is stuck to the driver. I'm gonna peel it off and stick it back to the housing frame. Meanwhile, you can go ahead and disconnect it. And here's what I'm talking about. Be sure to put this back, something like that. Now here's your speaker driver. For this video, of course, we will just be reusing this one. This is how it should arrive to you when you purchase it from our website. Clip it in, very simple, no soldering required. Next, fold these wires into the speaker so that they're not in the way. There we go. And reinsert these two holding rods. These rods hold the passive radiator along with the speaker driver. There we go. Now we can grab this cover and slide the unit back in place. Be sure to align the buttons with their proper place. Finally, this back charger port. We can do the similar thing we did with the speaker driver. This tape, just seat it back in place. So just put this back in. Slide it in and clip it shut. There we go. There you have it, guys. Replacement of a UE Megaboom 3 speaker driver. Once again, we service this repair as well as sell the parts for the speaker. So check out our website and all the information should be linked below. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.